Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apple Music app and manage offline songs, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Apple Music app, start by unlocking your device. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Use the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type in Apple Music. Tap on the Apple Music app from the search results. Press the Get button to initiate the download. Wait for the app to install on your device. Once installed, open the Apple Music app. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Now, to manage offline songs, search for a song, album, or playlist you want to download. While viewing the content, look for the download icon. This icon typically appears as a cloud with a downward arrow. Tap the download icon to save the content offline. You can check the download progress at the top of the screen. Once downloaded, the songs will be available in your library. Navigate to your library by tapping the Library tab at the bottom. Select Downloaded Music to view songs available offline. To delete offline songs, go back to the downloaded content. Swipe left on any song, album, or playlist. Tap Remove to delete it from offline storage. To re-download songs, simply tap the download icon again. You can manage your storage settings by going to your device settings. Find the music section and adjust the offline settings as needed. This allows you to control how much storage Apple Music uses. Enjoy your music anytime, even without an internet connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.